Right, you lot, settle down, settle down. It is time for today's science lesson, the part of the show where we take one very specific scientific phenomenon and really have a good, close look at it. And if you want to know the theme for today's lesson, you're going to have to tell me what the following foolhardy fellows have in common. This explosive experimenter. This spurting scholar. And this angelic alchemist. If you said that they were examples of extremes on the pH scale, then you would be absolutely correct. Yes, acids and alkalis are at the core of some of the coolest school experiments ever. And here at The Science of Stupid, we're all about being cool. So litmus paper at the ready, please. Concentrated sulfuric acid has a pH of 0.1, and like all acids, it turns universal indicator red. Strong acids like this are dangerously corrosive and can dissolve many substances, like the plastic of this bath sponge. At the other end of the scale is potassium. This is called an alkaline metal because it reacts violently with water, producing an alkaline solution of potassium hydroxide with a pH of 14. It goes without saying that you should never try mixing chemicals at home, as it can have deadly side effects. Strong alkalis and acids can be dangerous and corrosive, but you might be surprised by how often you come across their milder forms in everyday life. Question 1. What ingredient makes super sour candy super sour? All these brave test subjects are doing their bit for science. They're all experiencing quite intense reactions to super sour candy. The candy contains a small amount of malic acid, which has a pH of 2.2, the same as vinegar, making it intensely sour. Not surprisingly, our testers all exhibit the reflex reaction that I like to call facial scrunching. How flattering. Question 2. What happens when an acid comes into contact with a metal? Animal testing is often seen as controversial, but we would never do anything to harm a cute little bunny. Like that. Don't worry, it's not real. This toy bunny has been filled with hydrochloric acid and aluminium. Causing a corrosive chemical reaction inside, this produces hydrogen gas, which builds up pressure until it explodes. And now we come to our third and final question. What happens when you combine an acid with an alkali? One of our lead scientists is going to demonstrate.
I can't do it!
The baking soda is an alkali, which has a bitter taste, while the vinegar is an acid with a sour taste. When they combine, a neutralization reaction occurs, making lots of gas and foam. Seriously, don't try this at home. So that's the end of our lesson on acids and alkalis. Class dismissed.